Good morning, friend. I am Neeraj Kumar Dinkar. Today we are going to discuss about the type of violence work. At work, because of that if you have taken safety precautions, everything will be there, which are requirement at your workplace. Then you should aware about these things. Violence at workplace, type of violence at your workplace, because of this is an important part of risk and hazards at your workplace because of this region. Nowadays, you know that some cases find out and also face that problems related the fightings with co-workers in our organizations, influence of alcohols, workers going to meet with co-workers at workplace, influence of alcohols. That times some workers are shouting the why you are comes with the alcohols, influence of alcohols at workplace, your safety is very important. That times that victims was explained and some abuse to others persons, maybe there was very big shouting with fighting with co-workers, some persons was got injured. So this is a important to fact in that cases, how to handle these situations and how to consider about these things and reduce of that type incident and make a safe environment at your workplace. So guys, we have discussed about the type of violence at workplace. What is violence at workplace? What is violence at workplace? Workplace means during the course of employment, in incident which is a person insult and abuse and threatens in circumstances relating their work, that all are considered about the work related safety violence at your organization, at your workplace. So guys, you know that some persons in officials and workers, many times you have aware about these things. Persons also quarrel, fighting, shouting, abuse, some insultings, bubbling, that all are comes in that at safety violence at workplace. So guys, we have discussed about the second things, difference between violence and aggressions. Violence and aggressions means someone's going to do aggressive modes. I will do it, I want these materials, I want this place, I am a very means very aggressive persons. So that aggressions often taken to be the threat, verbal aim, and individuals that call aggressive. Violence often taken the angers resulting in physical contact of any kinds, that call violence. If you are going to someone's catch the shirt colors, that calls a safety violence, because this is belong to physical safety violence. Violence of group under two area, divided of two types of safety violence. You know that if you have working an organization, that time you aware about these things. If any person's safety violence between the co-workers and one contractor, that may be no majors incidents, no major shouting will be there, because of this is a group family, and one group to others group if happen any shouting and quarreling fighting, then very disaster, very means very robust conditions of these things, because of two groups members two groups members between the quarrel and fighting at workplace, because of everyone know that this is my group is very strong, that all persons are aware about this. So guys, there is two things. First is internal and external. Internal means which persons, which victims, which employee workers working in an organization, that called internals. In entire projects, some persons happen this type of situation, that called internal. If that persons some mistakes, some quarrel, some fighting to others organization, that may be very big issue, and maybe happens big, maybe happens major accidents, because of this is a one create of unity organization, that organizations create a very unique groups and unity to fighting on all measures, measures, and every workers movements should be very aggressive modes, so that can happen a fatal, maybe fatal accident at your workplace. So guys, divide first you should think about the potentials of behaviors, potentials of root cause, potentials of safety violence, internal, external. Must be aware about these things. If internal happen, that may be chance to you can reduce immediate on a spot. If happen the other external issue, there is big issue maybe happen. Politicians, some police, some locals, community members, that all are considered about this thing. Second thing, type of violence at workplace. How many types of safety violence at workplace? So this is considered about these things before taking any decisions. First is there mentioned physical safety violence, means someone hitting, someone slowing, slapping, grabbing and punching, beating, hair pulling, that all are considered about the physical safety violence. Someone, you know that if persons working at organization, some persons catch the hair, that times jokes, that is convert into the safety violence, because someone shouting to others persons, and some insulted, that all are considered about these things of physical safety violence, directly hit to who others body, that calls physical safety violence. Physiologicals, criticism is a importance and physiological. Some you have to observe that some peoples also criticism comes to others persons also. Some excessive workload. If some persons working 8 hours, you have to workload pressurized to work 10 hours, 11 hours. That all are physiological all safety violence. Enough work, not enough work. After the completion of work, direct hitting to you have not enough work today, means you are not getting the more job. After that person's doing hard work, some commitment, no enough work. We want to we want to complete that task. This is a physiological impact, a physiological safety violence at workplace. Fear of failures means some persons are going to work and fear of failures. We are going to done or not done. So this is a also physiological safety violence. If you have not confidence about the work, that may be chance of this is a also also physiological safety violence. So guys, if you are going to work with well confidence, then we can achieve your work. If you have first things with fear about the failure, there may be chance of 100% failure because of your confidence is low. This is also physiological safety, physiological violence. After that, verbal. First is physical, physiological, verbal. Verbal safety violence: insulting, criticism, offensive word, denouncing to others persons, denouncing to others person. That all are considered about the verbal safety violence. It means someone go, you are not a perfect doing job. So guys, this is called also verbal verbal safety violence. After that, bubbling. Bubbling means someone's going to in addition to bubbling. That all are considered about the bubbling. Bubbling is a also safety violence. Means sorting off staff, blocking promotion. Someone working good, you are going to as a senior you have to blocking your promotion. This is a also part of safety violence because of that and he is working well, then after that blocking your promotion, his promotion. So that call also bubbling. Regularly making a joke. Some persons daily basis come in office and joking to other persons and insulting to other persons and also garbing the other persons. Some criticisms at all times. That all are considered about the type of violence at workplace. For guys, physical, physiological, verbal, bubblings, that all considered about the safety violence at workplace related the work behaviors. Related the behaviors. Risk factor of safety violence. What is the risk factor of that type safety violence at workplace? First, we should not cash handling. This is important part of cash handling because of some persons are keeping 5,000, 10,000 in hand in our in his purse. So guys, some persons are asked to 10,000 is there. Some sortings and some persons are trying to take the money. Robot and others thing will be sorting and collect. So guys, you have this is a factor of cash handling. So guys, no cash handling, no cash payments, only cards and credit cards and bank accounts we can transfer it. If you are going to cash handling 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 500, 1 crore rupees cash for cash distribution, that may be chance of happens sortings and that type of incidents may be happen. After that, loan working. If persons working on loan in dark area, in others area where is where is very high risky, there is no persons to support and help them, that all consider the safety violence because of if persons will in loan working, that minds to be positive and negative. Maybe chance of without safety while working at height, nobody called to nobody who helped to and nobody advised to who that person. So guys, this is also factors including the factor of safety violence. Dealing with peoples under the stress, some persons is very stressed that go to who deal with the work task, that also are considered about the risk factors of safety violence. Alcohol and drugs, some persons influence of alcohol, drugs, you are going to task complete the task with influence of alcohol. So that all factor of safety violence at workplace. Availability of weapon, if we have a working at workplace, there is weapon. Maybe some persons aggressive to robot to injured them. Someone's injured due to availability of weapon and knife. This is all are a dangerous to and major factor of safety violence at workplace, ensuring the saving and censuring the saying no. Someone's going to security directly put there, you have not ID card, so we cannot allow them. So that times a person's aggressive and doing safety violence, because of that if you personally you think about these things, you are going to some factory visit, security guards direct strictly prohibited to you because of you have no ID cards, in influence of alcohol. So guys, that times create in minds negative thought, I want to go, I will go because of I am a MLA MP, that things all are considered about these factors also factors of safety violence at workplace. Risk factors safety violence, and you have discussed about these things. So guys, we will discuss about the control measures that all are happens maybe at your workplace. You know that also face that problems related the safety violence and behaviors related at workplace. So zero tolerance and prosecutions. If persons safety violence at your workplace, then 100% positive things and zero tolerance about these things. If some person sorting and others behaviors, so 100% take decision on workplace, may be terminated, may be penalized, maybe take disciplinary actions about them. Safety violation. Security staff should be strict check the persons and without ID card, without influence of alcohol. That time and some persons using a weapon, check the proper security before entering the workman and staff. CCTV camera also should be installed. Someone's observe that at sorting and observing the behaviors at your workplace. Security door also must be proper fitted, because of that some security gate is not available due to some damage. Nobody responsible to correct immediate rectify the door. So door is very important. So minimize waiting in times. You know that if you have working a safety professional, there is a 500 worker working inside project. So guys, after the security check-ins, many long lines of workers waiting for entry. So that should be avoided, and there should be deployed 2-3 security guards for minimize this is that waiting of line. So display waiting times. Training should be provided and communicate to all workers related the behaviors and related the work safety violence at work. And trainings screen panic alarms and pleasant environment. So guys, we have to make a pleasant environment. Everything free from stress, free from stress, free from the alcohols and other things. Also create a good environment and positive culture at your workplace. They may be help to you. They may be help your organization to reduce of incident in your workplace. So guys, this is important part of incident and accidents. And if you have make a zero harm policy at your workplace, so 100% should be considered about these things. Always help to best and better safety cultures at your workplace. So guys, nowadays nobody responds these things, nobody aware about these things. This is important as to help your good and better health safety culture at your workplace. So guys, thanks to watching my video. if you have to if you have liked my video, you can subscribe for more and more video and motivate to me. Thanks.